Let's go!
Broadway, ako yan. Yoha, mako eh.
Mapit sa taguan.
Makdo.
So, yung hair ko guys, nilagyan ko ng kuan, pang steady gani. Steady? Yes.
Hindi na mulihok ron.
The outfit po sa mga itching guys.
Yes.
Heavy picture yun mi ani guys. Magsunod-sunod yun ni among TikTok. Amo ang picture. So, hintay-hintay lang kayo guys.
Sorry ka lang mag-vlog guys kasi wala lang.
Ay, di ka mag-vlog ma?
Hindi.
Mag-pang reels no na siya guys. Mag-video na siya pang reels. So, yung ano, yung Broadway is like 50 minutes drive. So, that means mayroon din kaming 50 minutes na chika. Go! Ay, nakaluag na gyud ko guys. Maka-outfit na gyud ko guys. Ya,
Happy kasi
maka-outfit na ko. Makalaag na ko. Pero thank you po ni Daddy guys. Kay mo bantay gyud po siya sa mga bata. Yes. Grandpa. So yeah, let's go. I'm so excited. So, inigabot na mo dito. Ang problem na lang namin is parking.
Guys, manglaag rami guys, di mga un.
Guys, murami anig mga itoy agto.
Kanabit ang mga first timer.
Gani. Ningan si Kathleen na, magkuan daw, magbarbar daw ta dito. Kung hindi po kumain ng ma'am. So yeah, we're gonna stop by sa McDonald's kasi baka mag-get kami ng coffee or drinks. I'm thirsty as well. Sure! English!
Uy, kasi
ang mga koko sa gyud. Betaw guys, tumato na mi. Ayaw mi ninyong i-bash guys ha. Girls just wanna have fun.
Wala guys. Kuan man sa Damabay, ang mga bata nasa kanilang daddy, and then sa Erica, okay lang kasi sa Emery, maliit pa naman siya.
Yes. Plus, hindi namin to ginagawa almost everyday guys.
Diba? Sa bahay.
So, usay, dili gyud mi, hindi kami ano guys, lumalaag. Hoy, lumalaag. Dili mi everyday mo laag og lagyo gyud. Mula ka man gani mi sa ano lang, Walmart, ganyan man no. But if malayo talaga, this is our first time. So, baka sasabihin nyo na sige raming laag.
Ito na patagaw.
Huwag na mo kayo. Work tomorrow.
After work, kaysa yung mga alas 2, siguro ko.
Pwede yan. Ay, request ni Kathleen talaga guys, outlet. She actually got upset last night. Mangluod na siya pa doong gabi guys kasi akala niya pupunta kami ng outlet today.
So, saan ito yung giingon nga mga lugar rin? Saan na ito siya giingon?
But yeah, if pupunta kami ng outlet bukas, maybe we can bring Emily.
Tago na to.
Yeah, we can bring Emily. Or pwede naman gani si Daddy mag-drive sa amin.
Yes, pwede na. Sige.
Kasi wala si Brayden and
Josephine. Nag-sleepover sila guys.
Nag-sleepover sila.
Ano, pwede. Marag-nice idea na.
Kasi yung car seat ni Emery nasa car ni Daddy. So, yeah. I'm gonna see you there.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Sunlight lonesome dove folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast,
Guys, nandito na kami, guys!
Nangaingon dyan, guys. Tagalihok siya.
Oh, na ninyo, guys. It's so nice here. Char!
Pero mangita pa yung ka-parking.
Yes.
Hindi ba ako kayo ba mo parallel parking?
May bayad parking dito, guys. 2 hours. Marag $1 ang oras.
Sana lang kami.
Ito yung nasa TikTok, guys. Oh my gosh.
Guys, sana nag-parking na lang kami sa McDo tapos nagsakay kami ng...
Ganyan, oh. Ganyan, guys.
Paano kami maka-parking dito?
Guys, naigno talaga kami, guys. Pasagdaan na lang mi. Pasagdiin na lang mi, guys.
Bayad ang parkingan, babe.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Demon Run
Ano,
Street.
excited ko, guys. Oh my gosh. Nilabay gid na siya sa akong TikTok. Yamato, I decided to sinabihan ko si Ma'am Iching na punta tayo
Binodol niya
dito.
ako, guys. Hindi rin lang dito. Kasi pwede bayad naman. Nandiyan bayad.
Looking for parking. Check namin dito, guys.
May bayad siya, pero at least nasa ano talaga. Unlike doon na nakaparallel.
Tignan nyo, guys. Guys, hindi ako nag-boots. Then si Mama Iching nag-boots yan. Like, everyone here is wearing boots.
Next time. True. Wala po yun. Ito sa ano.
Head southeast toward Demon Run Street.
No.
Mahawa to.
Kato na lang. Piot kayo parking din, guys.
Natatakot talaga ako, guys, pag may pulis kasi 2 beses na ako nagdamgo.
2 beses na siya nagdamgo, guys.
Nanadak pa.
Napulihan na kami.
Okay lang.
Head northwest.
So, nandito na kami. Sinabihan ko, guys, nag-gas kami doon and wala kayo, doon man, wala kayo, may tao, but then, wala kayo siya ikuan. So, I told Mama na mag-drive sa automatic tuyok sa takay. Baka yan, nakitaan dyan na mo, guys!
Kayat ninako.
So, alam nyo na, sunod-sunod na yung story namin, yung TikTok namin, yung picture namin. Let's go! Dapat, guys, hindi lowbat yung phone namin. Mapuno. Diyan yung among cellphone, guys. Let's go!
Pinaya ko talaga yung parking ba?
Guys, nadunggan na ninyo ang mga music. Oh my gosh. Agbots me? Tignan nyo, guys. Look at that. Isig tinigto kay, di may magtagad ani, guys. Kay magtinigto kay me. Look at this, guys. Sobrang ganda. Dito pa lang, ha, sobrang ganda na.
Nagore ko mag-insert ko card.
I think so. Lang. Ang mga taga-tapon, naabot na din eh.
Ang taga, no, guys, sa ikon. Saba, day diri uy. Guys, ang ingay-ingay pala dito, no? What's the big manginom? Di ba inom.
For Emery, guys. No, mess up na akong hair, but we're here inside the boots and hats. Look at this, it's so cute. Ikaw girl, ikaw anak ko si Emery, ikaw girl.
Sa Tennessee mo siya na tao.
Napakalukit kayo. Look at this. Cute kayo. Tanawa guys. Pag makawalk na si Emery, I'll buy her that. Pag si Emily, bagay pa din.
Bagay sa din.
Hey guys! So, nakauwi na po kami and hindi na ako nagkapag-video kasi it was so loud there, guys. Wait, magkuha sa usanina because I have to change first before holding Emery. By the way, Emery is downstairs. She's with my dad right now. So, nara siya sa ubos, guys. Mangita sa usanina baka. Okay. Ano? Mag-ilis ko first. Saan ako suotan ay? Hala no, pangkatugay na ng tanag yapon sa akong suotan. Wait sa guys. So, we just got home and oh my gosh guys. Nag-ilis ko siya ng shirt karon. Oh my gosh guys, that was so fun, but we didn't drink. Okay, wala ko nag-drink, wala po si Mama Iching nag-drink. We just like went there just to check out the place, and girl, it was so nice. Kinalindutan kaayo guys, as in nice kaayo yun. Like, if you would ask me if mabalik pa ko dito, I will definitely say yes. Kanang lingaw-lingaw lang good. Pero not all the time. Like, once in a month, probably. But yeah, lingaw kayo dito. We took some pictures. We ate pizza. The pizza was so good. And, what else? Oh, may na-meet kami doon ng mga Filipinas. And we took some pictures. They were so nice. Thank you. If you guys are watching this, thank you so much, ates. Kaya nagpa-picture sila sa ako, guys. And they were so nice. And mga lagbi kayo lang outfit. And they're so beautiful. And yung lips ko dahil sobrang dry na. And, yeah. More to siya, guys. Kanong sorry gid kayo if I wasn't like taking a video the whole time. Because again, it was so loud. Adto. Like, saba kayo dito, guys. So, ako na lang gibutang ang camera sa akong bag and was just enjoying the moment. Well, moment. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And by the way, thank you also to Mama Iching. She did a mini vlog, so go check out her Facebook page or yung Facebook account because she did a mini vlog. Hindi siya nag-vlog for YT, but she did a mini vlog. So thank you Mama Iching for driving and for bringing me there. Like, girl, nice good siya kayo, guys. Kay, unsay na sa TikTok, maupod na dito. Diba? And we're planning to bring Kathleen there next time, but dali may manood og mga bars and stuff. And karon, actually, we didn't go inside the mga bars. We were just literally walking around there and checking out some stores. Like, itong mga namaligi og boots, mga stores. So, yeah, nanood kami dito. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I hate it when my lips is so dry, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Atiman sa ko sa kong anak. Bye everyone, thank you so much.